How many children were awarded Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2022? The correct answer is C, that is 29. So, Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2022 went to total of 29 children who came from all over India for their remarkable achievements. And Bal Puraskar 2022 has achievements in social service, sports, innovation, courage, art and culture and academics. Which of the following words was declared as Children's Word of the Year 2021 by Oxford University Press? The correct answer is D, that is anxiety. So, anxiety has been picked as the Children's Word of the Year by Oxford University Press, that is OUP. Based on their recent research, OUP had surveyed roughly 8,000 children aged 7 to 14 years from 85 schools in the UK. The kids were asked to choose the word they most often used while talking about health and well-being. An open-air classroom program, Pray Shikshalaya, was launched by which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is West Bengal. So, the aim of this initiative is to encourage students who dropped out of school during the COVID-19 pandemic to continue their education. Who was appointed as Chief Economic Advisor by the Government of India recently? The correct answer is D, that is Anant Nageshwaran. So, Anant Nageshwaran be responsible for providing fresh ideas to bolster growth, investments and limiting fiscal deficit. In his new role, Nageshwaran would be required to share views on key policy matters with the finance minister as well as being the lead author of the economic survey, which is the annual report card of the economy that gets tabled in parliament ahead of the budget. IAMAI, that is Internet and Mobile Association of India, organized 16th India Digital Summit 2022. What was the theme of this summit? The correct answer is B, that is supercharging startups. So, India Digital Summit is the oldest event of the digital industry in India. During the event, the minister unveiled LEAP as the way forward to further strengthen our startups ecosystem. And LEAP stands for leverage, encourage, access and promote. World's first hydrogen powered flying boat, the jet, will be launched in which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, that is UAE. Dubai will launch world's first hydrogen powered flying boat, and the Jet Zero Emission announced the launch of the world's first hydrogen powered flying boat in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Pandit Jasraj Cultural Foundation was launched by Dash. The correct answer is A, that is Narendra Modi. So, Pandit Jasraj is also known for his soulful voice and multi-octave range. He was one of the most famous performers in Hindustani classical music. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2021? The correct answer is C, that is 85th. So, India's rank improved one place to 85 among the 180 countries in a Corruption Perception Index of 2021. And according to a new report by Transparency International, which however raised concern over the country's democratic status. A messaging application named ASIGMA was launched by Dash. The correct answer is D, that is Indian Army. So, this application was launched by Indian Army on 23rd December 2021. ASIGMA stands for Army Secure Independence Genius messaging application. It is a new generation state-of-the-art web-based application developed entirely in-house by a team of officers of the Corps of Signals of the Army. India's first innovation center for graphene will be set up in which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Kerala. So, the Kerala government announced the country's first graphene innovation center, a joint venture of Digital University of Kerala. So, this is a joint venture with Digital University of Kerala. Center for Materials for Electronics Technology and Tata Steel Limited. Who was awarded the Assam Vaibhav Award recently? The correct answer is C, that is Ratan Tata. So, the government of Assam has conferred its highest civilian award, Assam Vaibhav of industrialist Ratan Tata. Assam Governor Jagdish Mukhi conferred the award to the former chairman of Tata Sons. And Assam government conferred Assam Vaibhav to Ratan Tata for his contribution to setting up cancer treatment facility in the state. Budget allocation for the Khelo India scheme has been increased by what percentage in the budget 2022? The correct answer is D, that is 48%. So, the allocation in Khelo India scheme has increased by 48% in budget 2022-23. Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur has thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for approving the continuation of the Khelo India scheme for another 5 years. A committee was formed by the Government of India to examine the demand for withdrawal of AFSPA in Nagaland. Who is the head of this committee? The correct answer is B, that is Vivek Joshi. So, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Northeast India Division in an office order on 26th December stated that in order to review AFSPA in Nagaland, a committee is constituted. Dr. Vivek Joshi, Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India. Who was appointed as Vice President of AIIB? The correct answer is A, that is Urjit Patel. So, AIIB's Board of Directors has appointed Dr. Urjit Patel to the position of Vice President for Investment Operations, Region 1, South Asia, the Pacific Island and Southeast Asia. The statement said AIIB is a multilateral development bank. It is a multilateral development bank that aims to improve economic and social outcomes in Asia. The bank currently has 104 members, including 7 prospective members from around the world. NSO, that is National Statistical Office, estimated the Indian economy to grow at what percentage for the year 2021-2022? The correct answer is C, that is 9.2%. Nobel Prize in Psychology 2021 was awarded to how many people? The correct answer is B, that is 2 people. That is David Julius and second one is Adam Patapotia. Mission Kavach Kundal was launched by which of the following states? The correct answer is D, that is Maharashtra. So, central government targets of achieving 100 crore vaccination by 15th of October. Maharashtra government launched a special 7-day COVID-19 inoculation drive called Mission Kavach Kundal. Was a target to vaccine 15 lakh people per day. Which of the following states became the first state to develop the General Category Commission? The correct answer is B, that is Madhya Pradesh. The motive behind the initiative was to plan for the welfare and progress of the general class people living in the state while enabling them with opportunity for quality education and employability. Which of the following countries test fired new hypersonic Sircon missile 2022? The correct answer is B, that is Russia. So, Russia Defense Forces have successfully test launched the Sircon hypersonic missile system that can strike both naval and ground targets. The launch was undertaken the continuing tension on the Ukraine border. Sarbananda Sonowal led the foundation stone of International Yoga Academy in which of the following cities during January 2022? The correct answer is A, that is Hyderabad. So, the Union Ayush Minister led the foundation stone for the Heartfulness International Yoga Academy in Hyderabad in January 2022. This academy offers Ayurvedic consultation, massage and therapeutic treatment along with a dormitory. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.